Hey sewing friends, it's Alice Murray, the Murr of Murr-Made Designs. And I call it designs because I'm kind of making it up as I go along. Today is day 72, and it is also Remembrance Day in Canada. And so today I made this little dress as a shout out to Remembrance Day. It has poppies all over it. It is just a cotton kind of shift dress. The cotton is actually from Fabricland, and it's a stretch cotton. It's not a quilting cotton. And because it's a stretch cotton, I didn't have to put the zipper in the back. I can definitely wiggle my way in here. I made it out of Butterick 4386, and you may remember this pattern. I made a version of it, this version here, for my son's wedding, and this time I made version F without the waist thing on it. Just kind of a plain shift dress. It has fisheye darts, bust darts, fisheye darts in the back. Has a facing, kind of a boat neck collar, and yeah, I would not wear this to a Remembrance Day service because I don't think it's somber enough. I think if it was black with the poppies on it, it would be better. But this would be a nice dress in the summer to wear to something. But I thought today, on Poppy Day, would be a fitting day to wear it. So I'll give you another twirl. Has a slit in the back. Goes with my red shoes. Yeah, I like it. It seemed to, all the problems I had the first time with this didn't seem to be a problem at all. The neck seems to lie a lot flatter than the last time I made it. And with no zipper, it was easy peasy. Really a quick make. I'm kind of into quick makes these days, I can tell you. So that is Butterick 4386, a real winner. And my grateful thread today, of course, has to be all of the people who served in the world wars and in other ways in keeping us in our freedom that we so enjoy in this country. And just a special shout out to my uncle, who was a young man when he went to World War II, and he was in the League of Engineers and went ahead of the army building bridges, and so was kind of right in the middle of the action all the time. And he survived the war and came back, and was a big part of my life growing up. But I can only imagine, I can't even imagine what it would be like to be a young person having to do that. So that is my grateful thread today. And I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.